previous racecourse experiences prominent in the early stages. It's Hargies who shows narrowly in front from Arbor towards the outside, also racing fairly handily, and now coming through on the inside to pass both that pairing is Suhaim. So it's Suhaim who leads on settling down from Arbor on the outside in second place, a couple of lengths back to Luran, who's racing in company with Hargies. Then Geldora on the inside, followed by Nakib Dufalga, and the back mark is Haran as they come towards the end of the first 3 furlongs. In the orange jacket, Suhaim showing narrowly in front, away to the right with the noseband and the white cap of Arbor. More towards the near side then is Luran, Nakib Dufalga switching widest of all to try and come with a challenge. Hargies catching the eye, travelling well in the mid-division, followed through by Geldora, and Haran is the back marker as they pass halfway. Suhaim leads them in the centre with away to the right Arbor. Wider still of that Nakib Dufalga. Hargies on the inside being followed by Luran. Then comes Haran and Geldora as they come inside the final 3 furlongs. Arbor for Tom Garner on the outside, holding a narrow lead from Hargies as Suhaim just squeezed out of it there. Back in third, Nakib Dufalga trying to come with a run. 2 from the right. Furthest to the right is Haran. On the inside, Luran is boxing gone, and Geldora is the back marker, but no more than 4 lengths cover the field. A furlong and a half left to go. Arbor with a narrow lead on the left. Luran coming there for Simon Walker. Nakib Dufalga and Hargies are 3rd and 4th. Then on the near side trying to run on is Haran. They head inside the final furlong. Luran on the far side. On the near side, Arbor. These two a few lengths clear. Luran on the far side just in front. Arbor with the noseband trying to battle back. Luran just in front from Arbor. They go to the line. Luran just from Arbor into second place. Back in third was Nakib Dufalga. They were followed in by Hargies, Suhaim, Geldora and Haran. The full result of the Alcaran Beach Maiden Stakes. First, number 4, Luran. Second, number 5, Arbor. Third, number 2, Nakib Dufalga. And fourth, number 7, Geldora. The winning distances were a neck and 3 lengths, a neck and 3 lengths, and the official time of the winning course, 1 minute 52 seconds. 1 minute 52 seconds.